If you're looking for a powerful party speaker without spending a fortune, the TCL TP300K is definitely worth checking out. It packs a maximum output of 340 watts, so it's loud enough to fill large rooms or even outdoor gatherings with ease. The bass is surprisingly punchy thanks to its dual 8-inch woofers, and there's even a dedicated bass boost mode if you want even more low-end impact. Battery life is another strong point. TCL claims up to 18 hours of playback, which should easily last through an all-day event, although real-world performance will depend on your volume level and whether you keep the lighting effects on. Speaking of lights, the built-in LED light show adds a fun party vibe, and the IPX4 splash resistance means you won't have to panic if a few drinks get spilled. Bluetooth 5.4 keeps the connection stable, and features like microphone and guitar inputs make it a solid option for karaoke nights too. Overall, if your priority is loud sound, deep bass, and party-friendly features at a reasonable price, the TCL TP300K delivers great value. Just don't expect premium audiophile level sound. This speaker is built for fun first.